Hello, my name is Wayne Perry, the TV Carpenter. Thank you for watching the Daily DIY. Today I'll be showing you how to use a hand sander and the different sandpapers and how to differentiate between them. This was a video that I created with my business partner Steph Bron. We were filming on a TV show called Crafty Beggars in the House, and it was a craft segment, and we talked about this very subject about using a hand sander. Hope it all makes sense.
It's a power tool. Don't be scared of it.
Yeah.
It's an easy power tool.
Okay.
They're cheap as chips, starting at 20 quid. This was 30 odd quid. Yeah. So the difference is in sandpaper. So sandpaper's measured in different courses. As we see here, this is really rough.
Really rough.
Really rough. And there's a number on the back. This is P40.
Right.
So it just means there's less.
It's really rough.
Really rough. And the higher the number, the finer it is. A bit like your nail files.
Yes.
The higher, that you can see the difference. The higher the number on here. This one's a 120.
Oh, okay.
And this is really fine.
Right.
And this one's 40. It's really coarse.
Got it.
If you're going to buy a sander, buy one that has this. It's just a Velcro attachment.
Oh, very clever.
fantastic.
Yeah, so it's
very clever.
easily
I
interchangeable.
wondered how you were going to adhere that to the base.
It literally just swaps over. So if I was going to sand this, I would probably start at a higher end one. So I'd start at 60. 40 is a bit much. It might really just scratch it, or cause too much. So I'd start at a 60. And the idea is you start and then you work your way down the grades if need be. So you get finer if you want a smoother finish. So I'm going to make a bit of noise. Turn this on. You step back then like it was going to explode. You're sanding a sander, all it's going to do is just oscillate. It's not going to do anything, yeah? So you can see there, we've smoothed off the edges.
Yes.
But again, it's a little bit rough, as in it's created a bit of a scratch effect.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So what I would do then, I would go down to the next one. And I'll just do that quickly. And once you've...
Yes, getting
those
softer.
splinters.
Oh, yes.
So you can
no splinters, much softer.
You can keep going.
Yeah.
with it.
Absolutely.
So that's really how I created this.
Yes.
It really made me laugh watching that show, just showing how people are scared of power tools when actually they're not scary at all. Hope it made sense. So remember, the higher the number that it is on the back of the sanding sheet means the finer it is. The lower the number means how it's rough and coarse. Hope that was helpful. Remember, you can contact me on the tvcarpenter.com website, and on there you can link through to my Facebook group, to my podcast, to anything about me on this web page. But also you can contact me and send me any direct messages. Hope this was helpful, and thank you for listening to me, Wayne Perry, the TV Carpenter.